Welcome to our YouTube channel, Testing Education. We have started video series of MCQs for test preparation. So today I'm sharing with you the important MCQs of research in education. I'll share 20 MCQs for pedagogy preparation. Let's start.
So our first question is, what is the national language of Pakistan? We have four options, but the correct option is option B. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. Question number 2. Which is the highest education regularity authority in Pakistan? The correct option is option A. Higher Education Commission. Question number 3. What is the duration of primary education in Pakistan? Correct option is option B. 5 years. Question number 4. Which education system does Pakistan follow? Correct option is option A. British education system. Question number 5. Which is the oldest university in Pakistan? The correct option is option A. Punjab University, Lahore. Question number 6. What does HSC stand for in context of education in Pakistan? Correct option is option C. Higher Education Commission. Question number 7. Which province of Pakistan has its own separate education board? Correct option is option B. Sindh. Question number 8. In Pakistan, education is a dash responsibility. The correct option is option A. Provincial. In Pakistan, education is a provincial responsibility. Question number 9. What is the medium of instruction in most public school in Pakistan? Correct option is option B. Urdu. Question number 10. Which article of Pakistan Constitution deal with education as a fundamental right? Correct option is option B. Article 25A. Question number 11. Which education level comes after primary education in Pakistan? Correct option is option A. Middle school. Question number 12. What is the literacy rate of Pakistan according to the latest available data? Correct option is option C. 70%. Question number 13. What is the duration of the standard academic year in school and colleges in Pakistan? Correct option is option B. 9 months. Question number 14. What is the primary medium of instruction in universities in Pakistan? Here the correct option is option A. English. Question number 15. Which province of Pakistan has the highest literacy rate? Correct option is option D. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Question number 16. Which Pakistani scientist won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on the photoelectric effect? Correct option is option C. Dr. Abdul Salam. Question number 17. In Pakistan, education is compulsory up to which grade? Here the correct option is option B. Grade 8. Question number 18. The primary education system in Pakistan includes which grades? Correct option is option A. Grade 1 to grade 5. Question number 19. What is the primary focus of Pakistan's national education policy? Correct option is option C. Early childhood education. Question number 20. Which city is known as the city of educational institutions in Pakistan? Correct option is option B. Lahore. Question number 21. Which province of Pakistan has the highest number of universities? Here the correct option is option A. Punjab. Question number 22. The curriculum in Pakistan educational institutions is primarily regulated by? Correct option is option B, provincial governments. Question number 23. Which organization conduct the primary school certificates examinations in Pakistan? Here the correct option is option B, Pakistan Education Council. Question number 24. Which educationalist played a key role in the establishment of the Allama Iqbal Open University in Pakistan? The correct option is option C, Allama Iqbal. Question number 25. Which organization is responsible for conducting the secondary school certificates examination in Pakistan? Here the correct option is option B, Federal Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. Question number 26. What percentage of the federal budget was allocated to education in Pakistan in the latest available data? Correct option is option C, 10%. Question number 27. What is the minimum age for admission to grade 1 in Pakistan? Correct option is option 5. 5 years. Question number 28. Which subject is not part of the compulsory curriculum in Pakistan's primary education? Here the correct option is option D, computer science. Question number 29. What type of education system is followed by most private schools in Pakistan? हमारे पास जो correct answer है वो है option C, Cambridge system. Question number 30. Which Pakistani educationalist is known for educating female education and establishing the first all-girls schools in the subcontinent? Here the correct option is option D, Anjumani Himayat Islam School.
What is the primary purpose of educational research? And the answer is enhancing teaching methods. Number 2. Which type of research focuses on exploring new educational theories or concepts? And the answer is exploratory research. Number 3. What's the hypothesis in educational research? And the answer is an educated guess to be tested. Number 4. Which research method involves observation and recording behavior in their natural settings? And the answer is observational research. Number 5. Quantitative research in education primarily deals with, and the answer is numbers and statistics. Number 6. Which ethical principle emphasizes the importance of obtaining informed consent from research participants? And the answer is respect for person. Number 7. What is the purpose of a literature review in educational research? And the answer is to establish the research's context and significance. Number 8. Which research design involves studying the same group of participants over an extended period? And the answer is longitudinal. Number 9. Which sampling method gives every member of the population an equal chance of being selected for the study? And the answer is random sampling. Number 10. What is the research variable? And the answer is a factor that can change in a study. Number 11. Which type of validity assesses whether a research study measures what it intends to measure? And the answer is construct validity. Number 12. In educational research, what does reliability refers to? And the answer is the consistency of research findings. Number 13. What type of research design involves both qualitative and quantitative data collection methods? And the answer is mixed methods research. Number 14. What is the purpose of a research proposal in educational research? The answer is to provide an overview of a research project. Number 15. Which statistical measure describes the average value in a set of data? And the answer is mean. Number 16. What is the null hypothesis? And the answer is a hypothesis that assumes no effect or relationship. Number 17. What is the peer review process in academic research? And the answer is a process where research is reviewed by colleagues in a field. Number 18. What is the primary purpose of conducting educational research? And the answer is to contribute to the existing body of knowledge. 19. What is the difference between qualitative and quantitative research? And the answer is qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non-numeric data, while quantitative research involves numeric data. 20. What is the significance of a research hypothesis? And the answer is it guides the research process and predicts an outcome. So we are done with our MCQs. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.